Hi there, welcome to Counseling 116. My name's Shannon Muir and I'm your professor for this class. I'm also a counselor here at Santa Ana College. I am excited to have you this semester. Counseling 116 is all about career exploration and personal exploration. So we're going to do assessments on your personality, your interests, your goals. We're going to put that all together and find the best path for you and best occupation that fits all of that so that you're happy in your work. Do you know what happens most often at 8 o'clock in the morning on Monday? What are most people doing? Where are they going? Most of them are driving to work. What they found is that that is when the most heart attacks happen. Why do you think? It's because they hate their jobs and they're stressed and they've been thinking about it all weekend. Sunday comes and they don't want to go and they're just miserable and there's so much anxiety. So I don't want that for you. Let's spend this time together really looking and digging into what makes you happy, what fits your personality, what fits your interests and your goals so that you can go to work and be fulfilled and not come home exhausted and not like what you're doing. So that's our goal. And I really look forward to meeting you. I want to show you on the screen. I'd love you to start here with course information. Go through all that, watch the videos. If this is your first time taking an online class, I highly recommend it. Every Wednesday, we're going to have a due date. So once a week, you have something due. We have 16 modules, and they'll open up every Thursday. So you work on one every week, and you submit on Wednesday by midnight. So have a great semester. I'm always available in the Canvas inbox. So I'm right here. So email me through here and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I look forward to getting to know you. Here's to a great semester. Thanks.